morning. Today is start the chapter solution of trigonometric equation. What is trigonometric equation? Trigonometric equation. An equation which is involve the trigonometric function is called trigonometric equation. As for example, 3 sin x plus cos x is equal to 0. This is also trigonometrical equation. Cos x plus 2 sin x is equal to 2 is also trigonometrical equation. Cos square x plus 2 cos x plus 1 is also trigonometrical equation. Is known as trigonometrical equation. Now we find the value of x is known as solution of trigonometrical. That means find the value of angles is called solution of trigonometrical equation. Range of the variable, trigonometrical equation, types of the trigonometrical equation, types of the trigonometric equation. One, a statement of equality between two expressions is called equation. There are two types of trigonometric equation. One, identity equation, and other conditional. What is trigonometrical equation? An equation which is involved the trigonometrical function is called trigonometrical equation. This means in the given equation involve the sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec. This equation is known as trigonometrical equation in form of a square, quadratic, cubic. It is also known as power of the higher power of the more trigonometrical equation is known as trigonometrical equation. Types of the trigonometrical equation. First of all, we know that what is the equation? The statement of equality between two expressions is called equation. There are two types of the trigonometrical equation. With first identity and second conditional. We know that identity equation. What is identity equation? A conditional equation is true. A conditional equation is true only for certain values of the Now we start the types of equations. First of all, what is identity equation and what is equation? A condition equation is true only for certain values of the variable, whereas the identity equation is true for every value of the variable. As for example, sin theta plus cos theta is 1. This means which is an equation. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This proof is always known from the trigonometric chapter. Is equal to 1, so that this equation is known as identity. Similarly, sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 is an equation, but sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 is not equation but identity equation. Also, now we take sec theta sin theta plus cos theta is equal to. How to solve this equation? How to solve this equation? First of all, when theta is equal to 0 degree, not solve, only for particular value. Sin 0 plus cos 0 is equal to 1, which is true, which is equation. Similarly, it is not true for theta is equal to 30 degree. Sin 30 degree plus cos 30 degree is equal to 1. Sin 30 degree means 1 by 2, but cos 30 degree means root 3 by 2 is not equal to 1. So that also theta is equal to 45 degree. This means sin 45 degree plus cos 45 degree is equal to 1. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 is not equal to 1. This means our proof is not complete. Therefore, the value of theta is 0 degree only. 0 degree from 100, not 80 degree, take 360 degree and more than 360, 720 degree for the value of theta is true, for 1 is equal to. Other value are not true because if we take theta is equal to 30 degree, then LHS is root 3 plus 1 by 2 is not equal to 1, so that this value is not correct for this equation. Similarly, now theta is equal to 45 degree, so sin 45 degree plus cos 45 degree 1 by root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 by 2. This means 2 by root 2 is equal to 1. It is not true. It is not true. So that the general value or the general solution of the given equation is theta is equal to 0 degree, not 0 degree, 360 degree, 720 degree, not value of 30 degree and 40 degree is lies in the given equation. So that general solution of the given equation is 30 degree. Now we have to find the range. The value of what is range? The value lies between two number is called range. One variable lies between two number is called range. What is range? What is range? The value, the variable is lies between any two number is called range. In this case, this means in the angle, the theta is lies between any two from 0 to 45. From, as for example, 0 is less than, x is less than equal to 40. It is also range because x is lies between 0 to 45. 0 is less than, x is less than 180 degree is a range. It is not known as range. In the given solution of the given trigonometric, as for example, sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1. Solve this equation. Or sin square theta, also this equation is also right here. Sin square theta is equal to 1 by 2. This means sin theta is equal to, or 0 is less than equal to, theta is less than equal to 90 degree. Sin theta is equal to plus minus 1 by 2. The value of sine is, only the value of sine is 0 to 90 is positive, so that take only sine theta is equal to 1 by root 2. This means sine 45 degree. Therefore theta is equal to 45. So that the range is, the value is lies between 0 to 90, so that their general solution is 45 degree. So that what is the range? This means range is, this is defined as range. That means the angle between two angles. The angle of the given trigonometrical